Hey guys, this is Coach Jess from Renaissance Nutrition. I'm excited to tell you about 3 different programs that we're offering that can help you with your nutrition journey. Yay! We're going to take some of the guesswork out of nutrition planning and nutrition prep to really set you on the path to success. So the first product that we're going to offer is a individualized meal plan for the week. And so what we're going to do is I'll sit down with you and find out what your food preferences are. What brands do you like? What are some of the favorite recipes that you make during the week? And then I'll go ahead and map those days out for you according to your preferences. And so one of the big reasons that we're going to do this is that I really see within my program a big difference between people who are consistently logging their food, and that means the good, the bad, and the ugly. We're putting everything in there. And then clients who aren't logging their food. There is a lot more accountability to yourself and to your nutrition plan when you just put your food in and you really take account for what you're consuming. All right, so this is going to take some of the guesswork out and make it really easy for you to eat the foods that you like and still stay on your plan. The second step is going to be grocery shopping. So we talk about eating whole foods frequently, and what does that look like? So I'll come with you on a trip to the grocery store and we will put together the foods that are going to make a balanced diet for the week and really set you up for success. So this is just coming out of looking at some of the different hurdles for clients, and then how do we help you get what you're looking for? All right, so meal planning is going to be one, and then grocery shopping is the other. And the last piece is that meal preparation, which really is a challenge for a lot of busy adults, and then sometimes just is a mental hurdle. It just seems overwhelming maybe to get started. And so what we'll do is we'll put together our meal plan and our recipe plan for the week, and then I will come to you and we'll prep food together for the week. All right, so 3 different options: meal plans, grocery shopping, and meal preparation, all here to help you achieve your nutrition goals. All right, please message me or message Jen at the gym, or contact me through email. I'm Jessica at CrossFitRenaissance.com. All right, thanks guys.